Welcome everyone, I'm Ricky from Tech Talk and welcome to my first ever tech call that we've ever had on the channel, and I can't believe it, products are coming in so quick and fast as the channel has grown really fast as well. I appreciate all the new subscribers and all the old ones as well sticking around and enjoying the new content on the channel. Thank you to all the viewers that we have as well, and by doing that, this is why I can get so many products in to actually do my first ever tech call on the channel, and it's really great to see all of these products on here. I see the likes of Saf from Super Saf TV create these videos, and it's amazing that I can create my own little one here. So what we're going to do is go through each individual product and I'm going to give you some key details about it, and we're going to take a closer look at each product. Our first product that we're going to have a look at is our biggest one, and that is the AOC Gaming Monitor. So massive thank you to AOC who supplied this. Their model number is C27G1. It's a curved display that offers AMD FreeSync technology. It has a VA panel, 144 Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, and it offers AOC game color control. So I'm looking forward to delving in and really trying this, and as it says here, expand your world. So I'm looking forward to really testing this out, and one game that I've been playing a lot of at the moment is Tom Clancy's The Division 2 on the Xbox One X, and we'll see if we can push it to its optimal performance here and see how well it performs. Our next product is the brand new Apple iPod Touch, and this is their 7th generation for 2019. So I'm not actually going to do the full unboxing here, I just want to show you what it looks like. So currently this will run iOS 12 and all the features that you know and use on iOS 12, which includes your messages, your app store, also the group FaceTime messaging option will be there as well. This will run iOS 13, and that's why Apple released this model, because it wants it to run iOS 13. So with iOS 13 as well, you can have AR features and you can use AR games or AR apps, which is a really cool thing, and also it will have Apple Arcade. This iPod Touch will be using the Apple A10 Fusion chip, which is 2 times faster in performance and 3 times better graphics, so that's really good. It is quite a small device, it is only a 4-inch Retina display here, so that's something that we're going to have to get used to, a smaller display. So that's the Apple iPod Touch. Our next product is the Sennheiser Momentum true wireless headphones here, and as you can see along the bottom you can control your voice and your music. It has touch control on both sides of the headphones. One controls one controls the other, so one controls calls and one controls music. You have a voice assistant access available, which is really good, so we can use a voice assistant if we need to with our devices. Then it talks about the battery here, and you have between 4 to 8 hours thanks to a charging case that these both fit into, which is a really good feature. Coming around to the side here, you've got Bluetooth, you've got ACC, you've got Qualcomm aptX, and then you've got Qualcomm aptX low latency built into these. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how well that works. You also have a QR code that you can just snap there and use straight away, and again more information here. There is an app available from iOS App Store or the Google Play Store to use with these. I can't wait to delve in and see how well these work with all the devices that we have as well. Next up is the Xiaomi Mi 9, a brand new device from Xiaomi. This has a triple lens camera, one of them being a 48 megapixel camera which is ultra high resolution. It has Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor, which is their latest one. It has 20 watts charging, so really fast charging. A quite large 3,300 mAh battery. It also offers wireless fast charging, an improved in-screen fingerprint sensor, so to unlock your device, and it has a large 6.39 inch Super AMOLED display, so I'm looking forward to delving in and seeing how well that works as well. Next up are 2 cases for the iPhone XS Max, and that's the one I use as a personal phone. So these are both silicone cases in red and lavender, so 2 different options here. These case companies offer a wide range of options as well, thanks to a 12 months warranty. So turning around to the back of these cases, they are a global brand from Jasbon. They offer a 12-month warranty and they source environmentally friendly product materials, which is really good to see. And they easily fit on and easily remove as well, which is really handy. So I'm looking forward to seeing how well they work with my iPhone XS Max. Next up, we have the Pixel 3a here from Google, and with this, it's a 5.6-inch display that has 64 gigabytes of internal storage, 4 gigabytes of RAM, a 12 megapixel rear-facing camera, an 8 megapixel front-facing camera. It has Android 9, and we'll get to the latest version of Android Q even faster, as it is a Google device, and it has a 3000 mAh battery. It comes in just black color here, and again we have more information here, and you get another picture on the back here, so I'll leave that there. As well as the Pixel 3a, I also received a Pixel 3 XL, which is really nice of Google. So this device has a 6-inch screen, 64 gigabytes of internal storage, 4 gigabytes of RAM, a 12 megapixel camera on the rear, an 8 megapixel camera on the front. It has a larger battery compared to the 3A, which is 3700 mAh. Both devices have Qualcomm Snapdragon 670 processors, which is really good, and this one is called Clearly White. Next up is the Imouto power bank. It's a smart power, and it has a model number here of SL200SPD. So it offers USB-C, and that's 2.0 at 18 watts, one USB output, which is 3.0 at 18 watts, 4-port output at 18 watts, a massive 20,000 millionth hour ultra compact design, which is really along the bottom here. It says the new MacBook will charge 1.5 times, a Nintendo Switch will charge 3.1 times, the iPhone X will charge 4.9 times, an iPhone 8 will charge 7.3 times, an iPad Mini 4 will charge 2.6 times, and a Galaxy Note 9 will charge 3.5 times. So I'm looking forward to seeing how well this will perform with all the new devices that we have on the channel. A massive thank you for watching my first ever tech haul. It's been amazing to film a video like this. It's very new to me to create a new style of video. Being in front of the camera is also new to me. I'm not too used to this at all at the moment. I want to do it more to show my face on the channel and introduce who I am more to my subscribers. If you like these type of videos, please let me know by giving a like down below or even commenting. Subscribing and ringing that notification bell will update you when all of these videos go live on the channel. Their unboxings, their setups, their first looks, their accessibility usage, and also their reviews. From me, Ricky, thank you always for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.